what me have to do. And me just want to avoid all of this. I have nothing against the baby mother, but I don't think I'm supposed to in this. I take up too much people problem for my head, I need to run. And so everybody just draw me in and them shit and next them just stew me. That's how I feel. That's how I feel. You understand me? No, that he must say, oh, I saw you go did me. Me in a jailhouse and I saw you did. Yeah, your baby mother attack in a jailhouse. Good. You understand me? When me fall, look on me. Who I look out for me? Just look on it. Take it, you know? Who I look out for me? What happened? I don't understand. And when you take a start now, you play your game, and I me know I'm going to be idiot again. You know, I'm just tired of this up here, yeah? And if you can sing. No, what I'm going to do is, right? What I'm going to do is, I like the baby mother. So I try to charge up the phone and go send some money to Western Union and give her for the baby. And I have it. And I have it at my house, I deal with. But if I send that go give her Wednesday now, I go give him some things. My mom and Papa and back give him Wednesday. Hey, lock down your phone. I go lock down your phone. And make me on a run go across and we go to Western Union and come back. Oi! Somebody call me? So you know that the man they focus on it. Yeah, but I mean all of them are gonna come too. So I mean man link. And him chop out the place Chanel. The man want him money. I want man will work for me all the while, you know, God, he have him family, man. And he can get one little thing. So, Chanel come out, Chanel, we pay him. Chanel no mean. Chanel, I no mean girl. She will pay him. We will give me a little money and tell so when Chanel come out, so make him go and hold on for one little $5,000 till Chanel come out and can give me money. No, son, it's too much. That me pay the workman for Chanel. Man chop out the land for Chanel over there, so Chanel did not go build one house. I know all of this happened, man work yesterday, good. Chop out the whole place so she can set her foundation. Good morning. And Chanel now in the hospital, so. Oh, said make you get your money, you know. I give him, no, me give him $5,000. Me give him $5,000, make him go and hold on upon that. And I tell him, say, Chanel is in the hospital. So, when me talk to Chanel, so at least a $5,000 me give him for go and hold on upon. So Chanel knows if he do the rest. And he inbox you about something serious. Hold on, they do this. Alright, I follow you. You inbox me on this page. You can't inbox me on the other page right now, baby girl. Right? No side there 4%. If we come offline, it not move, it not go up, it not come down, it not do nothing facade. It's the only reason why I do this. Because I'm not there back with Lando either, you know. You know if I don't feel like saying I go there back with Lando. I'm not there back with Lando either. I don't want to see Lando's face. I don't want to see his face. I wish when he come, he just move from side of me. Like, me just want to have clean slate. And the only reason why is just because I baby and Kim. And Kim, the girl not do me nothing. Sorry, I not call her name. Sorry if I call her name, I'm so sorry. She not do me nothing. The baby not do me nothing. You understand? So how much percent your phone there? Switch all in my back charger and somebody get me some juice. Hey guys, come we could go on this, so go look at the things and want to go on now. Come. So much time you in some things and you have pre so much it just blow up your brains. Come we could go up on the other side now.
We have got life on this?
Eh?
Cause this charging, this is 28.
28 or 40 I'm gonna go watch it. Get me put my ID in my bag and so. Get me ID and so get something from where when Windy come I forgot run go in town and come back. So so that I first piece of wall chop out. And this one. I'm going to this make me happy right now. I'm going to this alone make me feel up like my kids they make me happy, but I think this a cheer me on. This a turn me on. Like I'm getting used to this. This a turn me on. I'm not lie. Yeah. I gotta get used to this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like this. Happy for you. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much. Pray for me. Continue pray for me. Yeah, girl. Talk truth. Talk truth. Talk truth. And a man alone can make you blush. And a man alone can make you blush. Talk truth. And a man alone can make you blush. Oh my God, guys. Yes.
Right.
I don't have any armor. I want one bucket of water. I'm thirsty. You see me last night? Really? Please remember your eye. Blood pressure.